Alright gang, heading into the truck and we're going to get some heaters out, which I have up here. These are going to be 115 volt, I think 45 watt heaters for the evap for a freezer. Now the freezer's 208, 240, but it's dual voltage. It's 115 on the heaters, compressors at 208. So that's where we're at today. I'm going to grab some heaters, and me and C are going to replace them. Alright gang, so what we have here is a walk-in freezer that's running too warm. What we found up top there was the evaporator heaters actually burn right off. So we're going to be replacing them today with a 115 volt, 45 watt evap heater in a freezer. So pretty easy one. I'll make another video when we get up top and just take you through it real fast. We actually got to thaw the backside out because it is iced over. So couldn't get no airflow through the coil. So it's freezing up, it's not draining. So we'll get that off and then replace these heaters and get back to you. Alright gang, so we're up on the top here, and obviously you can see where the wire burned off. They're the old heaters, so we're going to be cutting that up, and I got the big boy out. We got ice buildup backside of the mat. We're going to be thawing all that out today. Some people use hot water, some people use guns. I prefer the gun. It's a little safer and it's not as wet. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this evap's pretty dirty, so we're going to clean that up too. Alright guys, so I just want to show you how much dirt is in this evap. So C's going to start cleaning. So just make sure you double check all this stuff, because this really restricts the airflow coming through. Doesn't help that it's clogged like this. So I mean, that's pretty bad. We might have to get the vacuum and actually suck a lot of this up so it doesn't get in that drain pan right there and get clogged up, you know, a couple weeks down the road. So we're going to keep going, and then again we're going to make our new connections right there and put our 115 volt 45 watt heaters back on the evap. And again we're thawing out the ice on the backside. The whole drain pan is actually frozen, so that's all got to be defrosted, drained out. Alright gang, back on the top here. Getting the new heaters ready. Just make sure your tags are in. I thawed out that side because it wasn't in, and we got that bottom U-bracket back on. Same thing right there. Want to make sure these are nice and flat to the evap, which they are. And then we're going to make our connections with our new heaters. So that looks good. And continuing to fall out. Alright, so there's our wires. Guys, don't leave them all hanging all over the place. Just, I mean, the straps are cheap enough. Get them nice and tight, strap them. Here's our connections, got them up high. They're all crimp connections. So after we thaw the rest of this ice out, still got some ice on the TXV. And some on the backside here. So let's try to do a nice neat job and check everything before you leave. It's been 20 minutes already, and we're still falling out. It's pretty thick on the bottom. Almost seemed like the pan heaters weren't working, but when you don't have them on the evap heaters, I mean, all that water is dropping down. When it drops out of defrost, it's all going to freeze up, even though the pan heaters are working. So another 10 minutes, and I'm going to fire this thing up. I don't know if you can see it, but we're making some steam there. So this is a capsule unit. It's all one. It sits right on the top of the walk-in. So sometimes it's a pain in the ass because you only have 3 feet to work with from the ceiling to the top of the box. So you're always hunched over working on these things. It can be a real pain. Alright guys, so try not to let any of the ground wires ever just hang off. Get them attached, because you know, these boxes are pretty well grounded and power could travel through. Somebody opens up the door, they could get hit with electricity. So you see any loose wires like that, get them re-grounded. So I'll hit that with the that's grounded. And check your condenser. This is actually what we're using. Viper works pretty good. It's a foamy non-rinse. Picked up from United Refrigeration. Works pretty well. We don't have time to sit here with another bottle of water and rinse, but it does the job. It's actually a little satisfying. That's nice and clean now. Shouldn't have no issues with CFM running through that. Backside, most of the ice is gone. A couple more minutes, and then we're gonna fire this up. There's your click signs. Got your heater. Everything's looking good. We're at 10 degrees. Heaters are working. We just tested them about 10 minutes ago. They got hot, came on. Defrost clock's working like it should. So that's going to be the issue today.